Hi, friends! Look, someone threw waste right on the ground. This is no good. Oops, more waste got dropped out of a garbage truck. It should all be placed into recycling containers. Oh no, it can't be happening. A gust of wind just spread garbage everywhere. I know, we're gonna find it and learn how to sort waste. The first place we visit is a grocery shop. When we buy many things, we need to carry them home somehow, right? Do you know what it is? It's a grocery bag. We can reuse or recycle it. Recycling means we can use old things to make something new. Like a glass. After it gets old or broken, it can be recycled into a new one. Or a straw cup. It can be washed and reused again and again. Many liquids are packed in glass bottles. We do recycle glass. Here is a plastic bottle. It can be melted down to make a new one. Here's a broken plate. Do we recycle it? Yes. What about the fruits we eat? The scraps and peels go in the food waste. Food waste is recycled too. It can be turned into compost that helps plants grow in soil. Sounds impressive, right? So remember always to throw food waste into a separate bin. Hey, we found a banana peel. We'll save it for later now. Look at all these fruits. Their sweet nectar is often used to produce a drink you all know. Juice. And this is a recyclable juice carton. See these cleaning tools and packages? Most of them can be used multiple times without producing much waste. For example, you can fill in more cleaner after it's finished. A plastic jug like this is just perfect for reuse. A washing machine uses a lot of water, which is not good for the environment, so try using it when it's full to save water and energy. I think we may find something else for recycling here. Look, I told you! This is a soap bottle. It's a reusable plastic waste. Now, let's try to find the best transport to help the earth. First, we ride on a bicycle. It keeps the air clean because it doesn't use fuel. A train can carry many people at once. It means fewer cars on the roads and less air pollution. A plane can fly to the farthest places, but it uses lots of fuel and makes the air dirtier. A ship burns a lot of fuel too. People work on making energy cleaner and safer. Many people ride cars, so more engines are running on electricity to keep the air cleaner. And when you go on a school bus, it uses less fuel too. Wow, we've got a prize. Let's ride it to the next location. Oops, someone left a notebook here. Let's keep it for now and move to the kitchen. Maybe we can find something expired in the fridge? Let's check. Whoa, someone drank all this milk. Here is a milk carton. After we rinse it, it can be recycled. Now let's play a color sorting game and win a new prize. This is a hat. It's red. And this is an apple. It's green. What color is this leaf? It's green too. Here comes the strawberry. It's bright red. What about this cute frog? Yes, it's green. Check out this ladybug's bright wings. They are red. Now, take a look at this mushroom. It's a red one too. Last but not least is a tree. To the green side it goes. Here, we found a waste in this colorful forest. This is an apple core. Animals leave waste too, but it breaks down naturally. Let's see where these animals live and what they eat. Who eats cheese? That's right, a mouse. Who lives in a tree hollow? It's a squirrel. Who loves honey? Yes, it's a bear. And who naps in a doghouse? Right, a dog. Who chews bones? Woof, doggies love it. Who lives in a den? It's a bear. Acorns are a favorite food of squirrels. And inside a hole in the wall can live a little mouse. Hey look, we got a bone! It can be recycled into compost for soil. Friends, welcome to the marine world. We should keep the waters clean too. Thousands of creatures live in the oceans, seas, rivers, and ponds. They all need clean water to breathe and eat, and floating trash can look like food for them. Plastic can stay in water for a very long time, and some animals may get stuck in it, become scared, or even get hurt. Sort waste, keep it out of the water, and save all these beautiful creatures. Here, we've got fish bones for the future waste sorting. Oops, I almost missed this one. It's a plastic bag. The fish are saved. Let's move to the animal farm. You see, many animals live here. They produce natural waste every day. It can be collected and turned into compost for fields, reducing extra trash. Compost helps plants and grass grow fast and strong, and then many farm animals eat that grass. So, recycling benefits people, animals, and nature all together. Hey, this rabbit has something for us. Friends, we have more waste to recycle later. It is salad. Oh, it looks like one egg got broken, but no worry. This eggshell can be composted too. Finally, we return to the recycling center. Let's check if more waste is left here. Here it is. Did you know that paper is made from trees? Well, it can be recycled into new books and journals. This old newspaper goes into our trash collection. Wait, I think there's more reusable waste right in that bin. We must double check it. Let's pull it out. It's a cardboard box. It looks empty and clean, so it's perfect for recycling. Oh no! Looks like someone threw trash without sorting it. Friends, it's time to give all this waste a second life. Here's our broken plate. We need to find a suitable bin for it. It's made of glass, so it goes into the green bin. Juice carton is made from cardboard, which is basically paper. We have a blue bin for paper waste here. Here comes the plastic bag. Plastic is hard to break down, so it should be recycled appropriately. Plastic items go into the red bin. A glass comes next. Let's find a bin for it too. It'll be turned into a new glass after recycling. Sounds amazing, right? Here is an apple core we found in the forest. Always clean food scraps after the picnic and drop them all into a special bin. Where does this box go? It's made of cardboard, so we throw it right here. Here is the glass bottle. What bin color do we need? Black for the food waste? No, a green one for the glass. Milk carton comes next. A carton is made of paper layers. We place the carton here, and the plastic lid should be thrown into the plastic waste. Next is banana peel. It is food waste. Food waste is placed in this black bin. Here is a plastic bottle. It should be washed and crushed before recycling. Plastic waste goes into the red bin. Sorting this plastic bucket should be simple now. Where shall we put it? In the food waste? Or the glass waste? Or in the plastic waste? Yes, here it goes. What about an old newspaper? Let's sort it too. Is it paper waste? That's right. This eggshell is next. This is food waste. So we should place it in the black bin. What about this sour salad? Do you think it's paper waste? Just kidding. It goes in the food waste bin. Next comes this bottle. What if it were made of glass? Shall we place it in the food waste? Or glass? Yes, it goes right in there. Remember that notebook we found? What kind of waste is it? Maybe food waste? Or paper waste? That's right, good job! Do you remember what this soap bottle is made of? Paper? No. Plastic? Yes. Next is this bone. Can you guess the correct bin for it? You're absolutely right. It's food waste. Here is a straw cup. It's reusable, but it can still wear out. What kind of waste is it? Well done! It's plastic. Glass is one of the few items left. It's an easy guess, too. Correct! Next is a grocery bag. This one is made of craft paper. Shall I put it in the food waste? Wait, or is it glass waste? All right, you got me. In the paper bin it goes. Only 2 more left. Here is a plastic jug. Which bin should we place it in? Food waste? Glass? Plastic? Yes, in the red bin it goes. The last item for today is fish bones. It's natural waste that is used for compost, so where does it go? In the green bin, maybe? That's right, it's food waste. Friends, just look at this! We sorted all the trash and recycling bins correctly. Good job! I will see you in our next video, and remember to recycle!
Hi, friends! Oh, colored boxes! Red! Blue! Green! Yellow! Good job! Let's check what's inside. Huh? It's empty. How about this one? They're all empty. We need to fill them. Hey, hey! Hi! Guys, we gotta put these puzzles together using these pieces. Let's start here. We've got the eyes. Help me find the body. Uh-huh. And one more. Next. Here it is. It's a ladybug. Now this one. Might be part of it. Yes. Another piece. This is part of the body. And the last piece. It's a whale! I think it should fit. Yep, this piece matches. Let's see if this one fits. It does. It's a turtle. Next, the head is here. This is the beak. I found the body. And a cute wing. It's a duck. Look, friends. We can put them in the boxes. We'll sort them later. Now what? Oh, I know. There are lots of fruits and veggies here. Let's see. A watermelon. A strawberry. Wait a second. Aha! A lemon. And what is this? Right, a banana! Another item. Woohoo! What's this? Yes, it's corn! A tomato. We're so lucky! A carrot. An apple. Yay! This is a potato. Huh, what's this? Let's open it. Ah, these are peas. Well done. Good catch. Knock, knock. Ah, there are keys. The lock is green, so let's use the green key. It's a pink mouse. The pink key for the pink lock. It's a blue bear. There's something else here. Great! This lock is blue. We need the blue key. It's a yellow pig. And 2 more items. The yellow key will open the yellow lock. It's a green cat. And another item. Look how many we already have. Hey, little bees. Hi, let's get you back to your homes. Light blue. Red. Green. Orange. Blue. Purple. Yellow. We got a reward. 4 items. Whoa, there are so many vehicles here. Let's start with this one. It's a bus. A rocket. This is a train. It's a hot air balloon. A ship. A submarine. This is a car. It's a plane. A dump truck. And this is a helicopter. All done, guys. Amazing job. Wow, a mini car. Time to put these shapes in their places. Where do we start? Right here. It's a circle. Next, it's a rectangle. How about this one? We need a triangle. Next, let's use a square. And the last one, a pentagon. Well done, friends. Oh, we can use magic. Hocus pocus. Woohoo! Awesome. How about we play some music? Music helps. It's a fire truck. A dump truck. And 2 new objects. Amazing, friends. Now let's sort them. A chick. A bell. A key. The sun. A banana. Cheese. A ladybug. A butterfly. A bow. A strawberry. A tomato. A car. A balloon. A button. A mitten. A book. A whale. A frog. A turtle. A fir tree. A leaf. An apple. Peas. Well done, friends! We've sorted all the objects according to their colors. See you soon. Bye.